see what I got for my Christmas present. You got me the Fanatic F1 steering wheel? I've been wanting this for so long. Hey guys, I'm so excited to unbox the Fanatic F1 V2x steering wheel for my simulator. Wow! Let's put it together. This is a quick release adapter. Be sure to put it in the right direction. Now let's put in the screws. Let's put in the screw, but we can't forget the washer. Now this is ready. Now we can replace the Rally steering wheel with the F1 steering wheel. I'm ready for some intense racing.